Alexis. I'm the career services coordinator here at our Phoenix campus. Essentially, it is my job to assist our students and help them get jobs when they come out of school in the trucking industry. It's my job to help them while they're in school, give them kind of a overview of what they're looking at when they come out of school. Typically, when students come in, they chat with me, they're looking, where can I find the most money? That's typically where they're looking. They'll do 4 hours minimum of training here. They'll do 2 weeks in the classroom, 2 weeks on the range. Once they are finished with that, then they are given the option to look at truck driving companies that they can go and work for. A lot of our over-the-road companies will actually do tuition reimbursement. So anything that you pay here for the school, they can kind of match that and pay it back to you in payments. So essentially, you're getting your school for free. So coming out of school, the students are going to find the best experience over the road. So that's going to be all 48 states in the United States. You can find the most money and you can find the best experience there. And then once you do have that experience, then you can kind of transition into a local position, be home every night type of thing. So I do have a 98% placement rate. So that means 98% of our students who come through our school, they are graduated and placed with a trucking company that they not only enjoy, but they get to gain that experience to do anything else in the industry.